Asorbo tiororo kranu kerabana koro kwege nabuna AMAYIA konyora obokonyi eri okoira omwana oyo ase nyagetari konyora obowenya togotena nayo nigo tokogenda ase county ya Nyamira awase oboibi bwarokanire koira Nyamaragega obokoreri ase factory echa ya Sasini yogotoka ase bunge ya Borabu ime ye county eyo ya Nyamira niga kwanirwe magega yo musacho yomo gotebekana goitwa magega yo gukagerwa kobo moibi bwechae ase ensemo ya Kirito Estate kwene kyayo Commissioner we county ya Nyamira Leisman Michael nigo atebire bune serikali negenderete kubeka emirubire isaine eryo gukora amangana yo boibi anena se factory yo muri kayitokoro ase county ya Nyamira job monkey noroboti urwaso bwime
ekemeligie chae negatie bimeli bikoreta obotenenku asense icho ya Kenya Maega yomogaka oyomo okoroku Dennis Ombasa oyore n'emyaka 50 gosiria obugima bwaye asensemo ya Kerito wodi ya Mekenene ebunge ya Borabu county Nyamira naira egetambokerio gotalira ensemeyo asobware nigo ensemeyo erentegereru Korende oboibi bweni boye kampuni negati ya mangana agosalia obo amate obuya.
And we don't intend to be fighting with the neighbors, which is our communities. We intend to have a cordial relationship.
Umogako yunigo akageire koiba echae asebatwarete okungusanana n'abarendi ekyoge kairera ogosiria kwobogima bwaye bunatwaba tokwererwa n'omukonyi bw'omugambi bw'ensemo ya Nyankono Samuel Ondieki
call korwa se security manager Kerito korokubwana Otieno ontebinga abaskari mbali ngasemeremo baminyokiria bamurabare batorechae amuraho barenge bane lakini batatu ba SKB oyomo umire enda kega kangakira gantebingo yumia usirire
ntwaba togotarera omudirector bwe kampuni ya Sasini Silas Njibwakale erinde atwerere asobwagare igore nganeyo asateba oboibi bwechae negati ya makongu bagwetera.
Morning, such an incident occurred in Kerito at about 3 a.m. And the same people who burned the tea when they were prevented from harvesting by the Askaris are the same people again we suspect came back and started stealing the tea.
Nate bamba begete emeroberio ao elinde kobeka obwamate obuya egati factory n'abamenyi.
I've had a number of programs for them. I've gone to a number of barasas in Kerito site. I've told guys that we have got positions for people to come in and be employed to be machine operators.
Omo county commissioner we county Nyamira Lesima Michael nagi kelia enganeyo ase ateba eserekali ngotumekere chibesa chinyinge kobeka oborendi nobo salimbo takeiri.
So we are telling those thieves who are coming at night and picking tea of the company to keep off the company property.
Bono ekigi atigaire namaskani koba egatie company nabamenyi bayonchoka naine kinko reporteria Ndizi.